Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to scan anything literally in seconds in Adobe Photoshop. A very easy process for you to follow and a really integral part of being a designer will be process like the one that we're about to show you today. What I would like to do is scan the inner picture of our frame here. And as you can see, it's on a slight angle. So what I would need to do is come to our crop tool here. If I right click on the crop tool, I have the perspective crop tool. What I'm now going to do is just use the shortcut Command plus to zoom in on a Mac or Control plus on Windows. I'm just going to create 4 points. So I'm going to click one here. Let's come down to the bottom. This one here, as you can see, I'm just creating these points like so. Wonderful. And now if you just simply press enter or return, you now have the image scanned with inside of that particular frame. And for example, now if I wanted to remove this option here, what I may do is come through with our lasso tool, just make a little selection like that around it, like so. And I'm just going to go right click, content aware fill. Let's press OK. And I'm going to now press the shortcut to deselect, Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can literally scan things in Adobe Photoshop in seconds. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, guys, there are recordings that are coming out all the time, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.